I don't mean to startle you, but the busy holiday selling season is just around the corner. Is your business ready? Specifically, your marketing plan. You deserve the same success all those so-called marketing gurus are getting, and to do that, you have to stop expecting what works for them to work for you. Your business is unique, and you can only get results when you focus on your business and your ideal customers. Stop worrying about all the money you need to spend on ads and all the posting you need to do on social media to get above the noise. When you tailor a plan that fits both your values and what your ideal customers are looking for, you will have a killer marketing plan for a lucrative fourth quarter. OSG has a workshop for you. The 5 Keys of Marketing has been a lifeblood for OSG members in the fourth quarter, and this year our newly redesigned workshop is going to help you find clarity, confidence, and the right plan for your business. Plus, there's a 21-page workbook and action steps that build so much momentum that the inertia will lead you to success. The 5-session workshop is nightly starting in September 5th for 1 hour each night until September 9th. From defining your ideal customer to the implementation and evaluation process, these sessions are recorded so you can access them for up to 90 days. Register now at osg.link/marketing plan. This workshop will supercharge your reach for the fourth quarter holiday rush. Register at osg.link/marketing plan. There are 2 options. The standard workshop is $49 and includes all the sessions, a full workbook and roadmap, plus access to the recorded version for 90 days. Or you can upgrade to the VIP for only $79 and get everything plus an implementation call where you get a mastermind with other OSG Squad members and the trainers so you can work on your specific plan. This implementation call will give you feedback, new perspective, and more ideas. Register at osg.link/marketing plan. We will see you on the 5th, and we are excited to be able to guide you to the fourth quarter success you deserve.